Ever wonder why your side hustle never takes off? You pour time and energy into that weekend project, but the results stay flat. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the hidden traps that keep most side gigs stuck and give you clear steps to break free before you waste another dollar or risk burning out. The first mistake is jumping in without a single crystal clear goal. When you try to juggle many ideas at once, your effort spreads thin and nothing gains traction. Define one specific outcome for your side hustle, write it down, and measure progress every week. That focus turns chaos into momentum. Second, most side hustlers set prices far too low, hoping cheap will attract customers. In reality, undervaluing your service signals low quality and erodes profit. Research market rates, calculate your costs, then set a price that reflects the true value you deliver. A modest increase often boosts both revenue and perceived credibility and gives you room to reinvest in growth. Third, burning out is a silent killer. You might work late nights, skip breaks, and ignore personal life, thinking hustle means sacrifice. Over time, fatigue reduces creativity and productivity, causing missed deadlines. Schedule dedicated work blocks, protect rest days, and automate repetitive tasks. A sustainable pace keeps your side hustle alive. Your health is the real engine behind long-term success. Fourth, launching without knowing your audience is like shooting blind. Many side hustles fail because they solve a problem nobody cares about. Spend time surveying potential customers, reading reviews, and identifying pain points. Tailor your offering to match real demand, then test a minimum viable product before scaling and gather feedback to refine features quickly. Fifth, even the best product stays invisible without promotion. Relying solely on word of mouth or a single platform limits reach. Build a simple content plan. Post short videos, share useful tips, and engage in niche communities. Consistent, authentic presence draws traffic, turns strangers into customers, and fuels steady growth. Measure each channel's results and double down on the strongest performers. Sixth, mishandling money can sink a side hustle faster than any competitor. Many forget to separate personal and business expenses, leading to messy accounting and unexpected taxes. Create a dedicated bank account, track every transaction, and set aside a profit reserve. Simple budgeting tools keep cash flow clear and protect you from costly surprises and ensure you can reinvest when opportunities arise. Seventh, many side hustlers expect overnight fame and scale too quickly. They invest heavily in tools or advertising before a stable revenue base, burning cash without proof. Adopt a lean approach, validate demand, perfect the core offering, then gradually increase capacity. Patience combined with data-driven decisions builds a sustainable business. It also gives you time to refine processes and avoid costly mistakes. Now you know the 7 hidden reasons side hustles fail and how to avoid them. Apply these strategies, stay disciplined, and watch your project finally thrive. If this helped, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more practical business hacks every week. Join our community of creators turning ideas into income.